Guys, do you remember this scene from the thriller of Mercy and Ike show?
I just want to relax and be taken care of.
I know a lot of people had this kind of thinking that, okay, maybe something actually happened to Mercy and Ike relationship. Maybe Mercy is taking a break. Maybe things are not working in their relationship. Because of that scene, she's saying she wants to relax. It looks like someone is ready to take a break from the relationship or break up, or, something is not working well with the relationship. That we eventually got to know what really went down for that scene in the trailer. So if you're interested in knowing what really went down in episode 3 of the Mercy and Ike show, kindly watch this video to the very end. Guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Bridget and I film on lifestyles, relationships, and of course trends. So if you're interested in any of this, kindly click on the subscribe button so you get updated on my channel and you know what's up as regarding entertainment gist and of course lifestyle topics. So guys, today is episode 3, the 3rd episode of the Mercy and Ike show, and a lot went down. Yes, a lot went down. The show actually started with Mercy telling her sister that, okay babe, I need to visit the hospital, I'm not feeling too well and stuff like that. The auntie was, she was really concerned that, okay, what would actually make my babe want to go to the hospital? What would actually make Mercy go to the hospital? Then on getting back from the hospital, Mercy actually told her sister that, okay, the doctor told me that I should relax and stuff like that. So that was where she now explained the fact that sometimes she's just, she's overburdened, she has a lot of things to take care to, that sometimes she just needs to relax, and she being the one taking care of, instead of she being the one taking care of something or something like that. So she explained the fact that she's just stressed from the hustling and bustling of Lagos, her new celebrity status, and it's taking a whole toll on her health. That is why she had to visit the hospital, and that is why she actually had to say that she needs to relax and be taken care of. So while she was still explaining to her sister that, okay, they told me that I should relax and take rest, eat well and stuff like that, she actually had another call that from her lawyer, and her lawyer was like, okay, we have to meet, like we have a meeting right now, and she has to come immediately. Guys, celebrity lifestyle is something else. So she has to just go there immediately, and on getting to the law firm, then she had to meet with her lawyers and stuff like that, where they actually introduced that to Lambo Homes. It is a real estate thing. So it looks like Mercy is diving into another business entirely, apart from celebrity, apart from influencing, apart from going for ambassador or something like that. She actually has a business thing in mind. So she's trying, or she's planning to go into the real estate world, and she has actually launched the real estate business. This is called Lambo Homes. They actually showed the logo and stuff like that. So now Mercy will also be involved in selling of land, selling of houses, selling of everything that has to do with real estate. So she has also explained the fact that even before going into Big Brother Naija house, she was also into real estate thing, and she was also into real estate business and stuff like that. That now she has her own, and she has her own business. So on getting back home, so Mercy had to discuss with her sister that, babe, please, what do you think of this Mercy and Ike? Like, what do you think of me and Ike relationship? What do you think of him? Then she was like, okay, she knows that the relationship is exciting for them, she knows they are having fun, and the relationship is good, that she just wants her sister to relax, just take things one step at a time, instead of her being pressurized, instead of her chasing a lot of things. She knows it is exciting, she explained the fact that it is exciting, but she just wants her to relax, take things one step at a time. Then she also explained that is Mercy, and she now asked her sister that, what do you think of Ike moving into my house? Then the auntie was like, why would Ike come to your house? Like, you guys are not even married. It looks like you guys are even jumping, you understand, stuff like that. Then the auntie actually explained to her that, no, it is not, like, it's not a good deal, it's not a good idea. What if mom comes? What if you have visitors? Then you and Ike actually living together when you are not married. Like, he has not even put a ring on it. Then Mercy actually Mercy had to agree with her sister that yes, it's true that that there's no ring on her finger, they are not engaged, so it would not be right for them to stay together. Guys, I understand that Ike is saying this because of his background, because of where he grew up. You guys know that in US, in abroad countries, this is not a big deal. People moving to their partners' houses is not a big deal. They move into their partner's house like no one's business. But guys, in Nigeria, your business is everyone's business. Your relationship is everyone's relationship. As soon as Ike moves into Mercy's house, you guys will be hearing a lot of things that, okay, maybe Ike is a woman rapper or stuff like that. That is how it works here. But we have to understand that Ike is coming from a different world entirely, a different background entirely. So these things are not a big deal to him. But here in Nigeria, it is a big deal. So he has to agree with our big dealness in Nigeria. that Mercy and Ike now had to talk, and Mercy had to explain to Ike that, guy, I'm traveling to UK, I need to rest, I need to follow my doctor's advice, I need to go to the UK and stuff like that. So Ike now explained to her that, babe, I actually feel like traveling to the UK alongside with you, but I'm busy in Lagos, I have things to do and stuff like that, so he could not actually travel with her to the UK. So why she actually left for the UK or something like that. Then Ike now had to just chill with his friends, and then his friend now told him that, guy, I'm seeing what Mercy is uploading online, I'm seeing her outing and stuff like that. Guys, if you can remember the old cozy restaurant, the old rumor with Willie and Mercy, I think it all happened in the UK trip, which Ike actually saw, and he was like, okay, I hope I've not made the wrong choice. I know, guys, it's not like he's insecure, or it's not like he does not believe that Mercy trusts him or something like that. It is, I believe that he's talking from the standpoint of someone who is jealous, seeing your babe in a restaurant with another person, having fun and stuff like that. So he was actually jealous, guys. Who would not be jealous? You see your babe in another country entirely, having fun, doing lovely things with another person. So guys, I think this episode is actually an introduction to drama that will come in episode 4, because guys, it looks like drama is going to be unleashed. Like, we are going to get a lot of things, we are going to get a whole lot of revelations about Willie and about Mercy and about Ike and about their relationship as a whole. So guys, what do you think with what really happened in episode 3 of Mercy and Ike show? Drop in your comments in the comment section. If you've liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you like I've always done. Bye for now. Please and please stay safe, and practice your social distancing and everything like that.